Okay, over to you, Kausar and Mehak. All the best.
Ma'am, can we start?
Yes, you can.
Okay, ma'am. Good morning, all. Myself, Mehak, and today we are going to present explanation on turnaround strategy. It is one of the interesting and important topic. Before dwelling into the topic, I would like to give one small example. Let us consider the example of ABC Limited Company who manufactures stationery products. And nowadays, this ABC Limited Company is continuously facing from losses because there are many competitors in the market, and now this ABC Limited company has to think that what strategies they should adopt so that they can compete with their competitors and retain in the market. Now this thinking process is basically interrelated with turnaround strategy. Turnaround strategy is a process of converting a loss-making unit into profitable one again. Now there are certain steps involved in turnaround strategy. We will see one by one. Who will going to read this? Can anybody read this? The first step. Sarita, can you read this?
Yes, setting up of a turnaround committee. The business firm major set up a turnaround committee or a team to deal with the turnaround strategy. The committee may involve top management personnel, consult, and may include employees representative. At times, business firm appoint new CU to deal with a turnaround strategy. The CU may take the help of some top management personnel to manage the turnaround strategy.
Okay, so in this step, the organization set up a meeting where all the management personnel, the consultant means expertise or the expert person, and also the employee representatives are invited. Sometimes for very critical situation, the firm may also appoint chief executive officer to deal with turnaround strategy. After setting up of the turnaround committee, the next step is identification of causes of losses. Nasir, can you read this?
Uh,
Nasir, are
what?
you there? The
Yes,
second
yes.
step.
Identifying the causes of losses. The turnaround team has identified two possible causes of losses. The losses may be due to internal factor or external factor or both. The internal cause may be continue
Yes.
entry in non-viable business, expensive manpower due to poor manpower planning, focus on several product line or brands, uses of outdated technology. The external causes may be improved practices, strategies, or the competitors, changes in government policies, changes in customers' preference, taste, etc.
Okay, so here the causes are divided into two parts, that is internal as well as external. First, we will see the internal causes. Now here, internal causes may include entry in wrong way or non-viable business. The next may be extra manpower. Due to extra or large manpower, we can face the internal causes. The next is wrong focus on the line of product. And the next and most common cause is use of outdated technology. Nowadays, many of the organizations are going with the trends. They are upgrading their technology. Now, after seeing the internal causes, the next is external causes. External causes due to better strategies of competitors, changes in government as well as customer preferences and taste. Now, after identifying the internal and external causes, the next step is Aditya, can you read this step? Aditya, are you there?
Oh, yes.
Okay, can you read this step? Detailed investigation of causes.
Yes. A detailed investigation of causes. The turnaround team needs to make a detailed analysis of the various causes, the uh, various wait cause. The turnaround team may be undertake the following activity: discussion with the worker to know the problem and to get the support, Consumer research may be conducted to know their reactions towards companies, products, and services. A dealer survey may be conducted to obtain their feedbacks on the company's politics relating to the dealer incentives, complaints from customers, competitors, strategies, and etc.
Yes, the third step and the important step is detailed investigation of causes. So in this process, the turnaround team has to make detailed analysis of the causes, like to discuss with the workers and to know the actual problems because workers are more involved in that. Also, they can conduct a consumer research and know the reactions of the consumer towards their product. They can also conduct a dealer survey for getting feedback, and they can get the idea of how their competitors are attracting their customers. Sir, next page, please. Yes, after the detailed investigation, the next and important step is making alternative solutions. Can anybody read this? Shifa, can you read this? Shifa is there in the section. Guys, can anybody read this? It's just a
Yes, I can
reading.
read.
Yes, you can read.
Alternative solutions. The team must look for alternative solutions to overcome the problem of poor performance. The alternative solution may be continue
Yes, Moses,
down,
you can continue.
downsizing of workforce, debt equity swap to reduce interest burden, divestment of invaluable or on-core business unit, focusing on profitable customers, etc.
Thank you, Moses. So in this step, after knowing and investigating the causes, the turnaround team have to make the alternative solution according to the respective internal and external causes. Like they can reduce the extra manpower or the workforce. The second is debt equity swap. Here, debt equity swap is basically a legal agreement between two people where they exchange their debts in which one has to pay fixed interest and one does not. The next, they can take an exit from those branches which are suffering from losses. That is divestment strategy. The next, they can more focus on profitable customers. Okay, so after this, the next step is analysis of alternatives. Can anybody want to read this?
Can I?
May I?
Yes, you can.
Shall I start?
Yes, yes.
Analysis of alternatives. The turnaround committee must analyze the various alternatives. There must be analysis of benefits and cost of every alternative solution or strategy. The benefits to be analyzed in the terms of returns of performance. The cost to be analyzed in terms of money, manpower, etc. The analysis of benefits and cost must be undertaken not only from short-term perspective, but also from long-term point of view.
Okay, so in this step, the team may go for the best and low cost alternative, like alternatives which gives in best return of the performance. And also the costs are analyzed in terms of their money, labor, manpower, etc. Whereas the team also analyze those alternatives for long-term benefits. I hope that the above 5 points are very clear to you.
Yes.
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 So
Yes.
can anybody tell me what is the first point in turnaround strategy? Come on, guys. It's simple. Aditya, can you tell me what is the first point? Okay, I will tell you. The first point is setting up of a turnaround committee. After setting up the committee, the second point is identification of losses and costs. The third is detailed investigation. And the fourth is, can anybody tell me the fourth point? Alternative solutions. And the fifth is analysis of alternative solution. Now, can anybody tell me the first above 5 points? Nasir, can you tell me the first above 5 points?
What?
The steps involving turnaround strategy. The first 5 points.
Setting up a committee.
Yes, next. What is the next step?
कोई पकड़ खा ली तो।
सुन रहा था या सो गया?
नींद।
Sarita, what is the second step? Sarita, are you there? It's simple, guys. Identification of
turnaround
causes of
causes.
losses. Yes. After that, what is the step?
Internal and externals.
Yes, after that. After identification of internal and external causes, what is the next step? That means तुम लोग सुन नहीं रहे थे, right?
सुन रहे थे।
Moses, then tell me what is the next step? Detail investigation.
Can I list down those 5 steps? Am I allowed?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
What I understand is the first step is to set up the turnaround committee. And then the next step is in the committee, there should be composition of experts, consultant, management members, workers, and if there are any other stakeholders whose interest is lied in, can be a part of the committee. CEO can be appointed in case of critical situations. I hope I'm correct till here.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the second step is to identify the causes of loss, which comprises of internal and external. So all the factors which are internal, that means which are internal reasons should be identified. And then external reasons like government policies, customers, change in taste and preferences, or presence of competitor can be analyzed. And then the third step is detailed investigation of the identified causes of loss. So minutely, all the causes will be investigated in detail to narrow down the actual cause of losses. After that, I think the fourth step is we can frame alternative solutions. It is always advisable to have more than one solutions. So we can frame alternative solutions. And then step 5 is selecting the best solution. I hope I'm correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right. Thank you so much. So I think we can proceed with the answer.
Yes, ma'am. So the next steps will be explained by Kausar. So over to you, Kausar.
Thank you, Mehak. Ma'am, can you make the host?
Sure, Kausar, 1 minute. Huh? So Kausar is the host now. All right.
Okay. So now the sixth steps is selections of best alternative. Can anyone read this? Sarita, can you read this?
Yes, alternative solutions. The team must look for alternative solution to overcome the problem of poor performance. The alternative solution may be downsizing of workforce, debit equity swipe to reduce interest burden, disinvestment of unavailable or non-core business unit focusing on profitable customers, etc.
Yes. So in these steps, the selection of best alternative from many alternatives is known as decision making. Decision making is the process of selecting the best among the different alternatives. It is the act of making a choice. There are so many alternatives found in the organization and department. So the managers take help from their employees and select the best alternative which is best for the company. Okay. So the next step is communication of turnaround strategy. Can anyone read this?
May I?
Yeah.
I'm audible.
Yes, yes.
Communication of turnaround strategy. The management must communicate the turnaround strategy with the employees, shareholder, and the communicate shareholder. Activity communicate will receive support from the shareholders from impo- impo- implement of the turnaround strategy.
Okay.
Okay, for
So
bunda
in
rahe
this
aap.
step, communication is the key for success. Many companies fail to communicate with employees and shareholders because communication is the key for success.
The voice is not audible.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम मेरे ख्याल से पूरा लाइट गई होगी इधर
Okay.
पावर ऑफ बहुत
Okay. Okay.
Ma'am, actually, Kausar is facing some electricity issues.
Okay. All right. So, anybody else who would want to take a head from here? Okay, the screen share is also gone. Because Kausar
Yes,
is.
ma'am.
All right. I think this answer we have discussed so many
Yeah.
times,
Hello.
and okay.
Ma'am, am I
Okay.
audible?
Yes,
Actually,
Kausar, you are
location.
audible.
Okay.
You want to continue, Kausar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all right, you can.
Ma'am, make me host.
I think you are already host now.
No, ma'am,
Okay,
actually
one
मेरा
second.
out हो गया था.
Ha. Okay, you are the host now.
Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Okay. So communications of turnaround strategy. Communication is the key for success. Many companies fails to understand the importance of internal communication. While they do a lot of efforts to communicate with external stakeholders like customers, media, authorities, etc. Successful companies knows very well that the care of all their strategies, there are employees who are responsible to carry out these plans. So alignment of people in the organization is the key. Next steps is organizations and allocations of resources. Can anyone read this? Hello?
May I?
Yes.
Organizations and allocations of the resources the company needs in organize the resources required to implement the selected strategy. In case of divestment, the firm will get the next capital resources from the sales of the unit or product line. The certain causes cases, the company needs to ne- negotiate without financial institutions for funds required for implementations. The shareholders may also contribute by way of right issue of shares.
Okay, thank you. So in resource allocations is the process of assigning and managing assets in a manner that support an organization's strategic goals. In practicing resource allocations, organizations must first establish their desired and goals, such as increased revenue, improved productivity, or better brand recognitions. In strategic planning, resource allocation is a plan for using available resources, for example, human resources, especially in the near term, to achieve goals for the future. It is the process of allocating resources among the various projects on a business unit. So the next steps is implementations. Can anyone read this?
May I?
Yes.
Implementation. The company needs to be get good support from the employee, shareholder, and the financial institution to make the turnaround strategy successful. There must be the continuous dialogue between the turnaround teams and the employees. The firm also need to be hold talk with the financial institute and the other investors.
Guys, so in these steps, implementations, this step is not just about implementing the action plan, but also ensuring coaching and support of all staff. Without this critical step, all the planning can go to waste. It is important that employees are aligned with the overall vision for the business. This is achieved through communication, consultations, and coaching on a regular basis. So my next and last step is review. Can anyone read this? Nasir, can you read this?
Yes.
Yes.
Review. The turnaround strategy needs to be monitored at different phases. Monitoring of implementation in a most of ensure yearly revival. Well, if required, the company may adopt additional measures to overcome the turnaround strategy.
Okay. So in this step, with all the planning and implementation in a place, it is now time to conduct regular review. This ensures not only that continual important is achieved, but also helps to identify any corrective actions that may be needed. Okay, guys, wait a minute. So these are all the steps involving steps in turnaround strategy. So what is the 6 steps? Can anyone tell me?
Selection of the best alternatives.
Yes. Can we explain
Okay.
this?
Okay, I have to explain. All right. If I recollect, you have explained that amongst the alternative solutions that the company has planned for turnaround strategy, we have to select the most feasible and viable solution. That means which is analyzed on the basis of cost benefit. So the solution which is going to be least cost and more beneficial can be adopted. I hope I'm convincing.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You want me to explain the remaining steps also?
No.
Okay.
Okay. Can anyone tell me what is the last step?
Review.
Yes. Okay.
Review.
What is meaning of review?
Can I explain?
Yeah,
So,
okay.
Okay, so in the review, one has to see that the strategy that is implemented for the turnaround, is it going in the right direction or not? Because turnaround is a new strategy, so the new strategy should give results. Hence, one should have a review and periodical check on the new strategy, whether it is giving the desired results or not. So that is review.
Okay, good. Okay, so anyone tell me all the 10 steps in turnaround strategy? Only points. One by one, it's okay. Guys,
Setting up of a turnaround committee.
yes. Next.
Finding out the causes for the loss, internal and
Yes.
external. Come on, others can also be a part of it. Detailed investigation of the causes. Designing alternative.
Solutions.
Very
Alternative
nice.
solution.
Very nice.
Analysis of alternative solutions.
Okay. After designing alternative solutions, studying each of the
Analyze the-
alternative solutions.
Yes.
Okay. And then selecting the best solution. And then after selection of the best solution, I think communicating to the
Communication.
okay, and organizing of resources, implementation, and finally the review. I am just not able to express my happiness that the entire class is involved and two classmates have wonderfully explained the answer. There were few things that I have learned from Kausar and from Mehek. So proud of both of you. And in fact, everybody else in the session who are continuously involved, including Sarita, Nasir, Aditya, Farhan, Gauri, and even Mojiz. I'm so happy that all of you were so involved. I think ये जो session था इसमें मैं भी present थी. Just imagine students जब मैं नहीं रहूंगी और सिर्फ students आपस में रहेंगे, you will have more fun, okay? Because then there will be no nothing like कि ये session record हो रहा है या मैम देख रहे हैं कि हम कैसे explain कर रहे हैं या फिर हमें English language ही use करना है. Okay, I think you all will do wonders if you all will start with the group study. Yeah, I think you all should do it. At least try once. आपस में group form करो 4-5 members. You want, you can add few more members. हाँ महक बोलो ना.
Ma'am, we are actually doing the group study.
Already
Ankit,
doing?
me and Kulsum. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so whenever you are doing this group studies, now Mehak, what you do is you keep a recording of it. Okay, क्यों पता है, not to post anywhere, but to share with your classmates. Okay, तो उसमें कोई weak student होगा ना, उसको help हो जाएगी. कोई और bright student है ना, उसके अंदर भी एक willingness आएगा कि I should also be a part of this kind of practice. Okay, तो Mehak, there's a recording button which is there, but it's only on the laptop. So if you're using laptop,
Yes,
you
ma'am.
can
I'm
record
using my
the session.
mobile phone.
You're using mobile phone. कोई और आपके साथ में जो ग्रुप स्टडी में है ना, तो उसको बोलो ना लैपटॉप पे रिकॉर्ड, या तो फिर ना वो लिंक आप मुझे शेयर कर दो जब आप लोग ग्रुप स्टडी करते हो. मैं मेरे लैपटॉप से रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट कर दूंगी. आई प्रॉमिस यू आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी देयर इन दैट सेशन. मैं खाली रिकॉर्डिंग स्टार्ट करूंगी बस. दैट्स इट. So we can have this recordings and we can share it with our classmates. Okay, there is a big difference when a teacher is teaching and when your friends are teaching. Okay? You can relate to what your friends are sharing, right? So महक ने बहुत जगहों पर ना एकदम माइन्यूटली डिस्कस किया पॉइंट्स और उसको एकदम सिंप्लीफाइड लैंग्वेज में बोला. शायद मैं भी इतना सिंप्लीफाइड नहीं कर सकती. So extremely proud. Even Kausar has done a wonderful job. And बाकी classmates ने भी बहुत अच्छे से cooperate किया. The best part that I liked is
y'all were not waiting. Okay, you just took the name. Nasir, you will read. Okay, Sarita, can you read? Okay, Gauri, can you read? So that was the most wonderful part. I never do that. I always leave it up to the students to read, or I take the names of those students who will not deny to read. So amazing. This way, I think the class was thoroughly involved. I enjoyed the session throughout. Okay, and मैं थोड़ा और वेट कर रही थी कि ना गैप ना हो और हम लोग कंटिन्यूसली जैसे फर्स्ट हाफ सेशन चल रहा था वैसे सेकंड हाफ भी लाइक देयर शुड बी नो गैप. ओके, क्योंकि रिकॉर्डिंग में क्या होता है ना, जब आपको थोड़ा बहुत गैप आ जाएगा ना तो लिसनर जो है ना वो वहां पे छोड़ देंगे वहां पे सुनना, और उसके आगे और भी इंटरेस्टिंग चीजें हो सकती थी जो सुनने के लिए जो वो नहीं सुन पाते हैं फिर. सो hope in the next session we get to see more of wonderful videos like this, and I'm so eager to share this particular video with my colleagues, and I'm going to put this on YouTube. Okay, let everybody know that you all are and please like this video, huh? Don't like my other videos which I uploaded for putting it on the Google Classroom for study purpose. लेकिन ये वीडियो का लिंक मैं आपको ग्रुप में सेंड करूंगी, and I want all of you to please like the video. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Thank you so much. I should be thanking that you all have been, being so involved and so participative. I think this is what we want. We cannot change the situation outside, but we can change ourselves. Okay, and this is the best example. Okay, कि आप अभी भी involved हो online sessions में, आप involved ही नहीं, all are taking interest also. So I'm sharing the video link in a while, and I'll see you soon in the next class. You all have a nice day ahead. Anything you would want to ask me? No. All right. So on that note, we meet again in the next class. Until then, you take care of yourself. Bye-bye.
Hey,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Welcome. Take care. Bye-bye. Bye.